What's up, everybody? We're coming back at you today with a beautiful Wrangler at Rodgers Wranglers, the 2010 JKU Rubicon manual transmission right here behind us. Stay with us. Let's check it out and tell you all about it. What an absolutely gorgeous 2010 Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. This shade of red looks so nice. It's more of a dark burgundy color, which really just stands out nicely the way we have it set up at Rodgers Wranglers. We've definitely added on a lot of nice upgrades to this Rubicon, which I think you will definitely like to have if you buy it. Most people that buy Wranglers nowadays, they seem to want some of these features on them because at some point you're going to get the itch to want to go out and do a little off-roading. So with that being said, we built this one especially for the customer that wants to go off and have a little fun on the trails, hit the rocks, go through a little dirt, little mud, and have a great time here in the Carolinas or wherever you may go. So with no further ado, let's get started, take a look at it, and then we'll go ahead and tell you everything you need to know as we're getting through this video here. This one does have a front bumper that's steel with all the LED lighting that you need. A brand new Smitty built 9,500 pound RC winch, as you can see right there. Again, these are all brand new parts that we've added on to this particular Wrangler. So that's looking great. Looking good. We like it. The paint is phenomenal. No dents, no dings, no scratches. It shines. It's beautiful. It's got brand new Rubicon stickers with the carbon fiber inlay with silver going around on the outline. Fenders look great with a matte black finish. And then we've also complemented the vehicle with a set of 18-inch Mayhem bronze wheels with a set of AMP Terrain Attack tires. These are 35 by 12.5, again wrapped onto an 18-inch wheel. Looks really good. You're also getting your rough country lift kit on the vehicle that brings it up another 3.5 inches or so. We've taken off the side steps to give it a cleaner look, which a lot of people love having it like that on their Wrangler. You're sporting the Rodgers Wranglers new logo for 2020 up here. We've also added a hardtop onto this vehicle. Now, this vehicle has been in inventory for a little bit with Rodgers Wranglers, and previously some of y'all would recognize it with the soft top. This past week, we decided to go ahead and put a hardtop on it, and I think they made a great decision doing that. Also, on the interior of the vehicle, we went ahead and added in carpet on the floors, and the hardtop has an installation kit on the inside to help keep the car a little cooler and a little warmer in the wintertime. You get your fifth wheel on the back, tow package. We've also added on LED rear taillights, which are much brighter at nighttime. Again, very clean. Got your all-season Jeep mat, or all-season or not all-season, but your carpet mat here, which is brand new. A little more storage under there. Your subwoofer, your pads, everything's in great shape. You got the gray cloth interior seats. Tinted windows on the hardtop, which is really nice, which I think they pretty much come standard that way. And again, the hardtop's in great shape. We have taken this vehicle to many Jeep shows and events. We have not taken it off-road, but again, just having it displayed for people to see how great and beautiful a Wrangler really can be. This one does have power windows, power door locks. Again, gray cloth seats. You can always add neoprene seat covers later down the road if you like. As we talked about earlier, there's the hardtop. Got the insulator right here to help keep it a little cooler or warmer in there. Also got the handles above the window sills. Factory CD player with auxiliary, super cold blowing AC. You got your sway bar button here and your axle lock. That's what makes this different than a Sport or Sahara Rubicon or Sahara Jeep, is the axle lock. Front and rear lockers, that's what makes it a Rubicon. 6-speed manual, there's no other way to go. So there you have that. Mileage on this vehicle, just around 92,000 miles. So to me, a 2010 with 92,000 miles is pretty low mileage. Open it up in the back, plenty of leg room for back passengers. Again, we've added the carpet on the floors to help insulate it a little bit more. And again, very, very clean. Beautiful Wrangler here today at Rodgers Wranglers. Under the hood, you're sporting a 3.8 liter V6 that came standard on the 2010 Rubicon. If you're interested in it, please give us a call at 843-552-1330. You can ask for me, Chad, in sales, also Mr. Jerry or Mr. Tim. Any of us would love to help you to be able to purchase this beautiful Rubicon from Rodgers Wranglers. And don't forget, this isn't the only Jeep we have in stock. Visit us online at RodgersWranglers.com to see over 40 to 50 Jeep Wranglers in our inventory. Every day we have something new coming in. Some going out, some coming in. So come on down and see us. Your true Jeep store for pre-owned Wranglers, Rodgers Wranglers. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with friends. If you got someone looking for a Jeep, point them our direction, folks. We'd love to help them out and take care of them. Have a great day. If you need more pricing or information, just send me a message. We'll talk to you soon. If you're still watching, a little bonus clip here for you. Again, I always want to let people know when you're looking at a vehicle that has a manual transmission, the clutch is in great shape. It feels good. The brakes are good. Everything about this Wrangler right here feels wonderful. You can have confidence in buying a Jeep Wrangler from Rodgers Wranglers. It's more than just selling Jeeps, folks. Many of the guys that work at the dealership are involved in the local Jeep community with Low Country Wranglers Club in Charleston, South Carolina, and all over our area here in the state. And it's a passion, driving Wranglers, working on Wranglers, and doing what we do. So the owner of our dealership, Mr. Rodgers, Jeeps is a hobby of his. He loves doing it. It's a lifestyle. And with that being said, we do everything we can to help our customers and take care of our customers that buy Wranglers from us. We love to earn your business, and we want to see you enjoy life and live life to the fullest, and do that by driving a Jeep Wrangler. So with that being said, we do hope that you can come see us at our dealership and let us work with you and help you with getting a vehicle. Also, folks, if you need help with getting this vehicle, we do offer in-house financing at Rodgers Wranglers. If you want to do in-house financing with no credit check, you would have to put down a substantial amount of cash to be able to get into our loan program at the dealership with no credit check. Or you can stop by the dealership and do a loan and go through your local bank or credit union, and we'll print up any paperwork needed so you can come back with your certified check. We also offer a 6 months or 6,000 mile warranty that covers most of the parts on the Jeep. So again, 6 months or 6,000 mile warranty program, that which comes pretty much standard on the vehicle when you finance through the dealership. If you get your own money and bring us a certified check, you can always purchase that warranty. It is an extra cost. But again, let us help you out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.